Industrial cybersecurity is different from IT cybersecurity. In this short preview, we introduce how the CICP program addresses that challenge.
Industrial control systems are increasingly exposed to cyber threats. Unlike IT systems, cyber incidents in industrial environments can have real-world physical consequences. In industrial environments, cybersecurity incidents can lead to production downtime, safety incidents, and accidents including asset damage, environmental impact, and injuries to people, and also serious regulatory consequences. This is why industrial cybersecurity cannot be treated the same way as IT cybersecurity. Industrial systems operate continuously, support safety-critical processes, and often rely on long lifecycle technologies. Cybersecurity decisions in OT must balance safety, availability, and cybersecurity, not just data protection. IT cybersecurity emphasizes data confidentiality and protection. The Certified Industrial Cybersecurity Professional, or CICP program, is designed specifically to address these challenges. CICP focuses on industrial context, risk-based cybersecurity decision-making, and international standards such as IEC 62443. The program is designed for professionals who work with real industrial systems, not generic IT environments. The CICP program is not just a set of recorded lectures or PDFs. It is a structured course using animations, real-life case studies, self-assessment exercises, situational videos, and other learning
Good
elements.
afternoon, Bob. What brings you here?
Good afternoon, George and Daisy. I wanted to ask you some quick questions about the cyber risk assessment study that we will be carrying out.
Have you not?
The CICP program is suitable for instrumentation, control systems automation engineers, IT cybersecurity professionals, process safety and functional safety professionals, engineering and operations managers and consultants who are involved in securing industrial environments.
This short preview shows only a small part of the full CICP program. Explore the complete course to build practical industrial cybersecurity competence.